morning, you guys. It is Sunday, and I am really excited for today because आज मैं बहुत सारा काम करने वाली हूँ, and I'm gonna be super productive today. Yeah, I'm gonna basically do so many things. So let's start by making a to-do list for the day. First, load Instagram post, upload shorts, upload docs. There is this YouTube video that I have to upload tomorrow, so I will complete the editing of that video. I have to plan a shoot on my laptop, some content to film today. So shoot the content, fest, meditate, oiling because it's a proper Sunday reset, skincare, fix the nails because they're all crusty by now, cleaning. There's this very important thing that you have to write always. Spend quality time, plan content, night care routine. Okay, so I'm all done writing the things that I want to do today. Journaling and writing just makes me super productive and in the zone of doing the things and completing the goals for the day. So yeah, I really love writing. Also, yesterday I asked you guys on my Instagram what you guys want me to create for you on YouTube. So some of you guys said that you guys wanted a night care routine. I usually do not do a night care routine. I just sleep because I'm really tired. But the things that I do some days when I get home after a tiring day, uh, or maybe I'm out doing a shoot and then I come back home, then I definitely do a night care routine. I think that's what I'm going to show in today's video, and we'll be talking about some important topics today. So if you're interested in what I do on a Sunday, please keep on watching. Okay, so I am at the dining table, and now I'm gonna have a cup of tea, which I am really obsessed with. I have it at least 4 to 5 times a day. And to go with it, today I have biscuits. So yeah, I'm just gonna have my breakfast and then get ready for the day. Okay, so while I'm eating breakfast, वहाँ पे light नहीं आ रही थी मुँह पे, इसलिए मैं यहाँ आ गई. While I'm having breakfast, I think I'm gonna edit a makeup tutorial for YouTube. So yeah, I'm gonna do that while eating. Okay, so I am about to start the filming. I saw this trend. It's not a trend, but I think it deserves to be a trend. Matlab, I don't know how to pronounce the name of her correctly, but this is her profile. I am absolutely in love with her. मैं बहुत टाइम से इसको फॉलो कर रही थी टिकटॉक पे. And this girl made this video, Arabic video. I am totally obsessed over it. Or I am doing that video recreation right now because I want so many people to know that she is the one who created that trend. So I am going to create that video. I'm super excited. It's an Arabic makeup look. मगर since जो सर पे रेड वाला पहना हुआ है, I don't know head पे इसको क्या कहते हैं अरब में, I don't know. मैंने जब सर्च किया तो ये पता चला कि ये वाइट और वाइट कलर का भी पहनते हैं, ब्लैक कलर का भी पहनते हैं, और ये वाइट और ब्लैक पैटर्न वाला भी पहनते हैं. So fortunately I had that white and black वाला, तो I am gonna do that trend with that. और आई एम सुपर एक्साइटेड फॉर दिस ट्रेंड. बहुत गर्मी है मगर आई एम फिर भी पम्प्ड अप फॉर दिस ट्रेंड. सो या लेट्स डू इट. ओके, सो दिस इज द स्कार्फ दैट आई हैव, जो बहुत ज़्यादा मिल रहा है, स्पेशली इसका ये वाला प्रिंट. और पूरा दिखाना भी नहीं है, मतलब ये वाला प्रिंट आई कैन यूज़, जो ये वाला है ना, इट्स काइंड ऑफ सिमिलर. ऑब्वियसली वो वाली मेरे पास नहीं है, वो भी थी पापा के पास, मगर आई डोंट नो वेयर इट इज़ राइट नाउ, सो आई एम गोना यूज़ दैट. आई एम सुपर एक्साइटेड. ओके, सो दिस इज़ माई बैकग्राउंड. मैंने ये भी ब्लैक और वाइट थीम दी है, दैट कैप्चर प्लीज़ इग्नोर. तो ये वाला आई बी स्टैंडिंग राइट हियर, इधर, मतलब यू नो. और यहाँ पे मेरी प्रोबेबली रिंग लाइट होगी. Okay, so I just wanted to say that this transition that I'm filming, it is so hard. and because it's so fast and there are no lyrics, तो इसलिए I have to sync with the beat, so it's making me a little anxious, but I think I'll be able to pull it off. I am done with the makeup look. This is the makeup look that I did, and this was my inspiration for the makeup look. I did this basic eye makeup. This is with an eyeshadow. Other than that, I want to share a little story with you before I start with my shoot. Thursday's night, I was really excited to film this, Productive Girls Summer YouTube video, which is already up on my channel. I was really excited for that, so I didn't sleep. मतलब रात को मुझे नींद नहीं आई थी because I knew कि मुझे कल इतनी ज़्यादा मज़े की वीडियो शूट करनी है और I will be able to do so much the next day. So I just couldn't sleep. I tried and tried, but I couldn't sleep. Then I put on some rain sounds, which always makes my heart super calm and my mind is very, at peace whenever I listen to rain sounds. So I recommend you guys, if you guys are having trouble sleeping or if anybody of you have symptoms of insomnia, I would recommend you guys listen to rain sounds and thunder sounds, light thunder sounds before sleeping. It will help you guys a lot because वो इतना पीसफुल होता है उस वक्त आप सिर्फ उसकी आवाज़ को लाइक सुन रहे होते हो. मतलब अपने इफ़ यू लिसनिंग इट ऑन लैपटॉप थोड़ा दूर करके अपने रख लें, फिर लिसनिंग ऑन मोबाइल तकिए के बराबर में मोबाइल को रख लें. दैट रियली हेल्प्स. एंड मैं वो आधे घंटे का है और मैं उसे सुनते सुनते बहुत दफ़ा सोती हूँ. So yeah, I just wanted to share this useful tip with you guys. If anybody of you tries it, do let me know in the comments if that actually worked for you. This is the final look. I am obsessed. I didn't knew कि इतनी अच्छी ये लगेगी. You know, the head scarf and I love it. इसके अलावा I'm just having a little tea break because मैं थोड़ा सा थक गई हूँ. So मैंने transition film कर लिया है. स्लोमोज और वीडियोस भी बना लिए. अदर देन दैट आई ओनली हैव टू डू अ शूट नाउ. और चाय पीने के बाद I'm gonna get started with it. और आज मुझे धूप तो चाहिए नहीं बिकॉज ये रेड वाली लाइट एंड ये बड़ी वाली लाइट will be enough, and because the makeup is flawless, I don't need light. Also while I'm having tea, मैं ये वाली वीडियो भी एडिट कर लूँगी जो ट्रांजिशन है, जस्ट टू सी कि चीज़ ठीक बनी है या नहीं. तो या I am done with the shoot and the pictures, the videos turned out bomb.com. I just have to run now, remove my makeup और उसके बाद I have to go pray. I'm getting a little late. फिर नमाज़ पढ़ के I'm gonna clean my room because it's a mess, and then we can continue with the vlog. I just did some cleaning in my room. I wanted to clean my room. Other than that, I uploaded a post on my Instagram and I also uploaded some shorts. I edited a YouTube video that I have to upload tomorrow. थोड़ी सी editing अभी भी बाकी है. उसके अलावा now I'm just gonna do some oiling. This is my favorite hair oil at the moment. It's by Heblen. It's the Hair Food 7 oils in 1 with more than 30 herbs for healthy, long and strong hair. और यहाँ पे इसके सारे benefits भी हैं, which include hydrates your hair, moisturizes your hair, healthy and shiny hair, antibacterial properties, rich in vitamin E, boost hair growth, treats dandruff and hair fall, and antifungal properties. I really like this hair oil these days, and a few of you were asking me which oil is this. So it's really good. It's by Heblen. It's not sponsored. I just really like this because बहुत सारे लोग इसकी तारीफ कर रहे थे and I tried it myself and yes, it did work. I really like it. Now what I'm gonna do is just do some oiling. और उसके बाद I ordered in a roll from a restaurant. I really like that roll. And I'm just gonna spend some quality time with myself and with my cat, and I'm just gonna have some me time off social media and off everything, just me and myself. currently 12:34 a.m. और I am done with one YouTube video. पूरी edit हो गई वो, और वो मैंने YouTube के drafts पे भी डाल दी है, and I'm gonna post that tomorrow. Is literally shouting outside. It's making me mad. Anyways, one of you guys requested to see a night care routine. I don't have a night care routine उस तरह से, मतलब मगर whenever I do have a night care routine, it's very simple because I just like to keep it simple with the night care routine. I always and always take a shower at night, and after taking a shower, I brush my teeth and I use face wash and scrub, which I already did. Next, what I use and I'm using these days is this shea butter cream, so I'm gonna use that. It makes me sweat, तो मैं गर्मी में बहुत थोड़ी सी लगाती हूँ. I really enjoy reading your comments. इतना मज़ा आता है पढ़ के, and it's really nice to see people get motivated and inspired to get done with their daily duties and रूटीन डेज पे वो जो भी काम करते हैं वो करने के लिए वो इंस्पायर होते हैं. तो मैं वीडियो देख के, तो दैट मीन्स द वर्ल्ड टू मी ऑनेस्टली. द गोल बिहाइंड दिस वीडियोस, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम रियली पैशनेट अबाउट मेकिंग दीज वीडियोस, एंड इफ समबडी गेट्स मोटिवेटेड मेरे प्रोडक्टिव डेज वाली वीडियोस देख के, दैट मीन्स द वर्ल्ड टू मी. रियली लाइक टू यूज़ दिस मिनीसो रोज़ हाइड्रेटिंग टोनर. एक तो ये बहुत ग्लोई है और ये हाइड्रेटिंग भी है, और एनी एक्सेस मेकअप, I think even without a cotton pad it helps just to remove it somehow. और मेरे अंडर आइज इस वक्त इतने डार्क इसलिए हुए हैं बिकॉज आई थिंक मस्कारा का कलर रह गया, इवन दो आई वॉश्ड माई फेस एंड cleaned my face so many times. Okay, so tomorrow I'm thinking of making a really fun video for you guys. I'm currently planning it out. So yeah, I'm excited to shoot that. Just look at the glow. It hydrates and it also gives a fresh glow to the face. Yes, so I'm really excited for that video. Also, you guys can always let me know in the comments what kind of videos you guys want me to create, so I can create them for you, because I really love creating videos for you guys. Lastly, what I'm gonna do is just moisturize my lips with a lip balm. It's almost finished, but I love this lemon lip balm by Miss Rose. So this is basically my night care routine for whenever I do it. Sometimes I can change the products, but mostly I just use 2 to 3 products and that's it, because I don't like lathering products. So yeah, now I'm just going to manifest a little, journal a little bit, and lastly I'm gonna make a thumbnail maybe, and then I'm gonna go to bed. That brings us to the end of this video. If you liked this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye.